Hey guys, welcome back to JN Electric YouTube channel. And a good opportunity. This time we will review an all amplifier which brand Pyramid Type PB17. In general, the color of the skin of this amplifier is black. There are two rotary potentiometers in front of the panel, and people call it tone control, which consists of tuning the treble and bass, as well as one main switch and power on indicator light. Let's see the PCB. PCB still use single layer. Many of the electronic components listed above are specific, such as capacitor and resistor, and then transformer. This amplifier still use 4 IC, which are combined in a bridge. Since the PCB track not very good in this circuit, but very strong. The appearance of this booster panel is very simple and easy to operate. On the rear there are several cables consisting of a power supply cable, an input cable, and a cable to the loudspeaker. If you still have this amplifier, you can put it back on following the instruction I gave you. To install the wiring installation is not too difficult. Just follow the instruction in this video. Power on, off, bypass switch, LED indicator 150, Watts Amplifier 75 watts times 2, 4 ohm speaker, Rotary, bass or treble, control built-in heavy duty heatsink, high and low level, input easy installation, part number PB17. And I have seen this amplifier before, but the brand is not Pyramid, but is Automax. And do not forget to like, subscribe, share to your close friend if you like this video. And thank you for watching.